How to change email on Facebook Messenger app. Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you change email on your Facebook Messenger app. So the procedure is very simple. All you have to do is make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now to begin with, you need to update your application. So make sure that the application is up to date. If not, head over to your Play Store and update it. So after you're logged in, or when you open up your Messenger app, when you locate Messenger or when you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. So here what you have to do is you want to click on the initials or try bar icon at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Scroll down right to the bottom and there you have personal details. You want to go to this section and once again you want to scroll down and go to account settings section. Under it you could find personal details. Once again click on it. As you do it, so you could find your information. So here you could see the contact info. Now you have to go ahead and make sure to click on add new contact, or you could actually go ahead and click on delete contact, but this only happens when you already have a multiple contact information linked to your account. Otherwise you'll have to first of all add a new contact. Only then you'll be able to replace the one that's currently there. So you have to make sure to click on it. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Click on delete email and click on the delete button. After you've done it, so you have to enter the code that will be sent to the registered email address and then click on the continue button, and with that being said, you'll have successfully deleted. And now in order to change it, you have to click on add new contact and add a new email address. Do the same procedure, verify it all, and that's the way you would change your email on Facebook Messenger app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.